Hello everyone. In this video we're going to talk about how to solve arithmetic progression problems easier using your Casio FX570 ES+. Regardless if it's the first or the second edition, the series of steps, which are considered as calculator technique or tricks, will work either way. So let's begin here with an arithmetic progression problem. So which term of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13, etc. is 78? So a simple recall, arithmetic progression formula is given here on the right side. It's a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d, where a sub n is the nth term in the sequence, a sub 1 is the first term, and d is the common difference between the terms. Now, looking at the given, we're asked of which term, which implies we're going to need to find n of the arithmetic progression. So we're given the first term, that's a sub 1 is 3, and our common difference, so we subtract 8 minus 3, it's 5, 13 minus 8, it's 5 also, so it's really an arithmetic progression. And the last term, which is 78, or the nth term rather. So if we're going to just use the formula, so let's try, we can actually use two methods. So first is to simply follow the formula, 78 and alpha, then the equal sign, and then a sub 1, which is 3, plus the quantity, so that would n would be our x, we set it as x, alpha x, then minus 1 times the common difference, which is 5, and then shift and press the calc button, solve, and equals. So we're given the answer of 16, so let's check our answer and let's submit. It turns out it's correct. Now, we're going to use the other method. So let's just clear and then shift, clear, and 3 all equals, and then AC. Now we're going to use another method, which is the STAT method. So we go to mode, then 3, and then we look for 2, which is a plus b plus x. That means it's a linear regression, because arithmetic progression is a linear regression problem. So 2. We're going to input the given. So here, let's take note that x is actually the n, or that refers to the term being the nth term, so to say. So we're going to input 1, 2, 3, and then we input here 3, 8, and 13. So we have 3, 8, 13 equals. And press AC, and then shift 1 is for stat, and then we have 5. That's for the regression functions. Now, 78 here is our y. That's considered a y. And we're looking for n, which means we're looking for the value of x when y is 78. So we press 4, and then just use the arrow button to move your cursor, and then input 78, and then equals. So there, you can get the value of n, which is 16. So either way, either you use the formula, or you can also use the stat function, and we'll be able to get the same answer. So thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something.